What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Today we doing a dryer vent clean out. So we got a couple brushes, drill. We got 50 feet of insert to insert in there to hook on the brush. This is the brush I'll be using. Yeah, we're getting right to it. We got some gloves. We probably won't be using these, but it come in the kit. And that's it. Dry your vent clean out. This is how you clean out a vent. Mine dryer is upstairs, so I probably need like 25-30 feet of inserts. So this is what we got going on. We got some wasp nests. Oh, see, what happened was this right here is missing, and I'm waiting on that to come in, the vent. So them little tabs on there. So we're gonna clean this out, put the tabs on there. I don't have the tabs, I'm waiting for them to come in. So yeah, that's what we doing, dry vent clean out. Yeah, I'm just not the bird man, you know, I clean out your vent too. So if you need it done, holler at me. I can come clean it out for you. Or you can order the kit, dryer vent cleaning brush kit. Bam, down right there. Flexible rods, you know, bam. Keep it clockwise. So cut your vent on, cut your dryer on while you cleaning. So I got my helper coming to help me out a little bit. So I'm just giving y'all a preview of what's going on. Alright, gang, we got a problem. We got some wasp nests in here. So we're gonna use the small brush and knock all the wasp nests out first, and then go in with the bigger brush. Don't try this at home, guys. Maybe. I'll put the drill on there. Cause
take a picture of most of it.
that's one out. That's two. I think it's one more. I think this brush is too long. It ain't making a turn. I don't know, it seems like it's making a 90. Oh, there goes some more nests. For another wasp nest. Y'all want to keep your dryer vent cleaned out, because it can start a house fire. Most house fires start with dryer vents. Yeah. Now, All right, gang, we going in with one stencil, one extension with the short brush. Go clockwise and see can we make this turn. Oh, I'm supposed to have the dryer on too so the stuff can blow out. Some more wasp nest, old wasp nest. More wasp nests. Still seems like it ain't making that turn. That same. Alright, gang. Let me see why I ain't making this turn.